Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals-1 Assignment 3, and today I'm going to discuss about various functions in Unity with their execution order. So first is awake. So awake is used for initialization that needs to happen when script is loaded. Second is on enable. So it is used to set up any necessary references or entire functionality when object becomes active. Third is start. So start is used for initialization that depends on other objects or components being initialized. So start is called on that on the frame when script is enabled. So next is fixed update. So fixed update is used for physics related calculations that needs to happen at fixed time intervals. Next will be update. So update is used for regular updates or general gameplay logic that needs to happen every frame. Then comes late update. So late update is used for actions that need to happen after all the update functions. So such as camera movement or object tracking, etc. So next comes is on collision enter. So on collision enter is used to handle actions that happens when collision occurs between two objects or collision occurs between different objects. So next comes is on mouse click. So it is used to respond to mouse clicks or taps on the object. Then comes this yield wait for seconds. So this pauses the execution for specific duration before continuing. So next comes is on disable. So on disable is used to clean up or disable the functionality when object becomes inactive. So the final one is on destroy. So on destroy is used to release the resources or perform any final cleanup before object is destroyed. So on destroy is just like a destructor. Thank you.